What's up, guys? It's your boy Billy Osazua, and today we're going to hit arm day over here at Alphaland. Make sure to hit the like button, the subscribe button, and let's get this working. Come on.
Still going down anyway. Saw you last night, but did it all day.
First thing I like to do is get the blood flowing, get warmed up. So what I'm going to do is anywhere from 20 to 40 push-ups. So starting things off, we're going to begin by doing standard curls or conventional curls as they're known as. This is the most basic variation of bicep curls, but they still get the job done because they're very effective. Also, excuse my form a little bit, but ideally what you want to do is keep your back straight and keep your chest up throughout the exercise. Next, we're going to do some hammer curls. The muscle we're trying to target is the brachialis, which is the muscle between the lateral head of the tricep and the long head of the bicep. So it'll basically make your arm look bigger when you actually grow it. These are pretty simple. What you want to do is put your chest out and your shoulders back and just curl. So you can do 2 arms at a time if you'd want to. I chose to do 1 arm at a time to focus on each bicep individually, and you can do this standing or sitting down. Alright, we knocked out some biceps. Now we're going to move the tricep. Next up, we're doing tricep pull downs. You want to bend over in order to get the full extension of the pull down. What you also want to do is keep your elbow as fixed as possible and refrain them from going up with the rope to keep that tension on your tricep. So this exercise here is what's called overhead tricep extensions. It's another go-to if you want bigger triceps. Make sure while you're doing them, you keep your glutes squeezed and your core tight as you're pulling the rope overhead as such. Alright guys, so right now we're going to wrap up with forearms. Over here we got the dumbbells. We're going to do reverse curls. It's going to target the forearm. We're going to get some biceps in there as well. To wrap things up, we're going to finish here by doing Zottman curls. One thing I do like about Zottman curls is that it works both the short head and the long head areas of your. So you want to stand up straight, plant your heels into the ground, and as you bring the dumbbells up, you want to supinate, meaning you want to turn your hands so that your palms are facing the ceiling. Once you get in the up position, you want to pronate and then come down. Alright guys, that wraps up our arm day. I want to say thank you for coming out and working out with me. We got some quality work in, and I'll see you next time. Take care.